First, go to Hansshow website using your browser on your phone or on your laptop or desktop. Type in Hansshow Mini Display. Find the Hansshow Mini Display. Go directly to the Ultra Mini Screen Display and make sure you are on the product website. Scroll down about halfway. You will see Upgrade File and Upgrade Video Tutorial. Click on Upgrade File. Open up the drive and email this to yourself. Once you email it to yourself, drop the files into the jump drive that you formatted under FAT32. Once you email it to yourself, drop the file into the jump drive that you format. And how you update the software is on the mini display. There's actually a USB-C plug right here. Plug in that USB with the files that you just loaded from the Hansshow website. And once you plug it in, go ahead and go on your main display, your Tesla display. Go to Controls, go to Safety, scroll down, Power Off, confirm Power Off. Your mini display will turn off. Step on the brake, and it will start the reset process. So the new software will upload after this animation. So let the animation complete. And now the software is updating. Let it update all the way to 366. And once it hit 366, the animation will start again. And now you can actually unplug and you're ready to go. And that is it.